Hey YouTube, I'm gonna go over this song by Sharon Van Etten. Okay, it's called Afraid. It's called Afraid of Nothing. Yeah, Afraid of Nothing. And it's one of these great songs that has the same chord progression over the verse and the chorus. And then, so it starts in G. I need you. Goes to D with the F sharp in the bass. To be afraid. Then it goes to B minor. Of nothing. And then to C, which you can play in the open position. B minor. So it works pretty well in the open position too. G's, you can play in the open. The D. B minor. I'm playing a bar chord. C. So B minor is the only chord that doesn't work well in the open position. So let's talk about that first. Yes, way to play that is just take your A minor shape that you play on the first and second frets, and move that to the third fret in the fourth fret, and just play those strings that you're fretting. This is how it would sound. I just played it there with the, and what I did was I hammered down to the B string at the 5th fret after I played the B string at the 3rd fret, and to the C. Yeah, another way to play any minor chord where the root is on the 5th string, your A string. So this would be the bar chord shape. You can play any chord like that by fretting strings 1, 2, and 3 in a stair step manner. So we put the index on your E string in this case, your middle on the B string at the 4th fret. No, 3rd fret. So your index on the 2nd. That's where that's the root. The middle on the 3rd fret on the B string, and the ring finger on the G string. So that would sound like this. R&B songs, this is how they're playing the minors. It's very clean and precise kind of sound. Okay, you could do that if you were going to play the say you're going to play the C sharp minor. That would be at the 4th fret. This is a movable shape because you're fretting all the strings that you're playing. You do it like you need an E flat minor. You can't play that in a bar chord, but you can use this shape for it. Alright, so this is kind of the rhythm. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So it's not an even beat. It's kind of funky. Oh, and this D. Okay, let's talk about that. I'm hanging my thumb over to get that F sharp, but that's kind of difficult to do. So you could do this, where I'm not even really barring all the frets, but I'm just using I'm playing the D like this with the bottom part of my finger, and then I'm using the tip to get the F sharp. But the other thing, you could just skip that F sharp and just play D. Just play strings 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get a bass player to play the F sharp. Okay, that's Nothiing by Sharon and thanks for watching. Bye.